Got our continuation here of the 6.4, another one of JR's episodes. What's my mechanic name?
JR.
JR what?
JR.
The what?
The boss.
The mechanic.
The mechanic.
This is Alex. This is Alex right here. Yeah, I'm gonna make you famous, dude. You're gonna be famous. We're both gonna be famous. We're gonna make each other famous.
I bet.
Anyways, continuation here on the 6.4 here. And just as we assumed, we figured out why it would intermittently smoke, intermittently misfire. Truck would run fine, but you hit the pedal hard, it would misfire. And there it is. We got ourselves a melted piston. Melted pistone. Piste with a one. The ring is still in there. It kind of seals a little bit, but you can see here. Another thing about this truck is when you turn it on and you crack where you pour the oil, it would do this, and you would poof and throw a little bit of smoke as well. But there it is, and it's Rob the Bob. Another episode. This is another episode. Rob is Rob the Bob. He's always getting mad because he's got the. Who? Your flashlight? Who stole it? Anyways, Rob's always in a bad mood sometimes, but he's a really good mechanic. But yeah, so anyway, this is another episode. JR the mechanic here. We're gonna need a new block, new engine for this one. This one's not gonna cut it. Too much trouble to try to fix this one.